In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Wix Editor, a quick and straightforward process that can significantly streamline your workflow. Whether you're looking to create a consistent look across multiple pages or simply save time with a prepared template, duplicating a page can be a true lifesaver. Let's start by opening the Wix Editor in the Chrome browser. Wix Editor is a robust tool that allows users to design professional websites without having to write any code. It's known for its intuitive interface, which makes it incredibly user-friendly. Chrome is often recommended for accessing Wix because it ensures optimal performance and compatibility with all of Wix's features. Once you have the Wix editor open, take a look at the left side of the screen where you'll find the page menu. This menu is your hub for navigating all the different pages within your website. Now scroll through the list until you find the specific page you wish to duplicate. Selecting the right page at this juncture is vital because you want to make sure that you're duplicating the exact page that serves your purpose, whether it's the layout, content, or design you want to replicate. After you've identified the correct page, direct your attention to the three-dot menu located next to the page name. This menu gives you several options for managing your pages, providing shortcuts to a range of useful actions. Clicking on this menu will unveil a drop-down that includes the duplicate option. Go ahead and click on duplicate. This function is incredibly handy as it copies every detail from the original, ensuring nothing is lost in translation. From the design elements to the structure, everything is preserved. Once Wix generates the duplicate, the system may give it a default name that matches the original with a slight change. Now's the perfect time to rename this duplicated page to something that clearly identifies its purpose or content. This practice not only helps in keeping your project organized, but also eases future navigation and editing. After renaming the page, double-check to ensure all the information on the duplicated page is in order. Now it's time for one of the most crucial steps in this entire process: saving and publishing your site. These actions mean your changes will be applied, ensuring that your page, now duplicated and renamed, is live and ready to be accessed by your audience. Duplicating pages in Wix effectively can significantly ease your web development tasks, saving you time while maintaining consistency in your design. Make sure to keep all pages well organized, named accurately, and saved properly to get the most out of the Wix editor. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach